Hello, welcome and welcome back in my video. Hey my dear friends, this is Pragati Mishra and today is actually a new starting because last 30 videos which I uploaded in this channel where I practiced English speaking. Actually, it is my only one channel where I practiced English. Whatever I learned or whatever I tried to say, I uploaded everything. And today's video title is something different. My dear friends, in those 30 videos, while uploading or after uploading, I realized the one thing which is very interesting is that you don't need difficult vocabularies or the rules of grammar. Actually, these are important, but initially, without learning so many rules, you can start. Yes. So, using the simple sentences or using the daily life sentences, you can speak up, you can start speaking up. And if you are not believing, you can watch my every video, or you can watch my video any two or three video, you can relate with me. So my dear friends, I'm going to tell something, no, I'm going to talk about the five sentences which you can use in your daily routine or which you can use in your daily life. Okay. Okay, now the first sentence is, let me think about it. Yes, actually we use this sentence whenever you want some time before answering the exact. For example, do you want to join us in this event? Then after this question, I can say that let me think about it. Okay, so sentence number two is, that makes sense. For example, for example, if you improve or when you practice English, you can improve your English. Then in reply, one can say that makes sense. It means this sentence we use only when we agree with someone. Okay, now let's move to the sentence number three. That is very important and very useful in our conversations. So, my dear friends, I didn't expect that. It is a sentence I can use when something surprising is happen. Okay, for example, I got one of feedback on my video, and it is basically surprising for me because I believe no one is watching my videos or whatever the things are, and right now I am surprised after seeing this. In that situation I can use I didn't expect that. Okay, so let's move to the sentence number 4, that is step by step. Actually, it is a group of words, okay, but we can use it in our daily conversations and use it when you want to show your, when you want to say your improvement is slow but still continue. For example, improving my English step by step. Okay, now the sentence number 5, that is actually a game changer, you can say, while using in your conversation. It is very helpful. So the sentence is that I'm working on it. Okay, I use this sentence when I want to say that I'm improving. Okay, it means I'm improving. If someone says me, is your English become perfect now? In that situation, I replies that I'm working on it because I use this sentence when I tried to speak that I'm improving. Okay, in that situation, I says I'm working on it. So, my dear friends, this was sentence 5 sentences which I use and which you can also use in your daily conversations. So basically, English learning, okay, the whole idea or the whole method is for this English speaking, and speaking English is a process. So improvement will take time, obviously. So don't going I'm not thinking that why I'm not so fast, or why I'm taking so much times, because it will take time, and I realized it very clearly. It will take time. It is a process, and learning anything takes time. And the feeling of nervous, so I don't feel nervous, still my English is not perfect. I, instead of taking nervousness in my head, I try to the practicing journey on. For example, I just keep practicing in every situation, no matter what the things in my surrounding is going on. You can relate if you watch my any of the video. In my every video I had motivated you to start, because I also started, and that's why I am here. So my dear friends, this was for today's video, and it is something new I tried here. I tried to say new sentences which I uses, which you can use in your daily conversation. So this is for today. See you in my next video, and of course, thank you for watching till now. Till then, take care and bye bye.